3D mockups closest designer. Create 3D t-shirt mockups from your phone, full screen recorded image capture, AI art generator, new 3D model library, and intuitive UI. Is for t-shirt designers, closest designers, and closest makers. Meet your new favorite mockup creator. Animated 3D models, custom uploads, HDR backgrounds, real-time video recording, intuitive controls. And then, yeah, you can just double click to install it. And then you can see here, control, animated mockups, custom 360 backgrounds, user-friendly. Pretty cool app, super cool idea. So then you can just so here you can just see the idea. This is how it looks like. You can see all the questions. And then analyzing your profile. So now here you have it. Then a lot of onboarding. Again, onboarding. I actually don't like when they have really long onboardings. So it's kind of like a paywall. Probably they will offer now me to subscribe, but and then let it go pro. You can see $30 per year, monthly plan $10 per month. Then you can just continue. There is an offer, 80% offer, but then still you can kind of use it for free. So you can then just try to so here is how you have it. You can add an image, background, rotate, HDR. That's kind of the idea. And basically then you just add it in it like that. You can just add an image. You can just take a photo, whatever. So let's so I don't know how to all right, so you kind of so here you have it. And then you just kind of have it like that. I don't know. And then you can just see it like that. Pretty cool, right? So yeah, and then you can just save it. You can then also buy it. You can have some AI image with prompts. Then you have your projects, and then you have settings. You can upgrade. You can share the app. So that's just what you have. Quite cool, and that's what you have.